CSJ-G8005C Digital Inkjet Printer for non-woven bags. Ideal for customized small batch printing on non-woven bags with high efficiency and flexibility. Below is the breakdown of the machine's core advantages. This machine supports a maximum feed width of 200 to 700 mm. It handles a maximum bag height of 100 to 600 mm. This is the feeding and deviation correction area. It quickly aligns products to a standard position. This ensures accurate printing position for every piece. Plasma treatment enhances ink adhesion on product surfaces. This is an infrared sensor. It precisely detects products entering the printing zone. It prints one piece at a time when detected. This avoids duplicate printing and empty printing. The machine is very easy to operate. This printer requires no plate making. Simply import your design to printing software, then print directly. Unlimited colors will be mixed from MOQ by computer. The software interface is simple and intuitive. Even operators with no printing experience can master it easily. It is the core printing unit of the machine. The distance between printhead and material can be adjusted according to material thickness. Pattern printing at different positions can also be adjusted via software in the machine. The machine is equipped with air suction and pressing bars, ensuring bags stay smooth and stable during the whole printing process. Printed bags pass through LED curing to dry ink instantly. Material collection is fully automatic. It counts and stacks bags automatically, accurate and hassle-free. For bags of the same size, multiple orders with different designs can be printed at one time. The maximum printing width is 260 mm. There's no limit to printing length. The machine can print 90% of common non-woven bags on the market, including plain non-woven bags, white paper bags, canvas bags, bubble bags, and more. The whole machine is controlled by several motors to ensure a stable operation. The machine can print 3,000 to 6,000 pieces per hour, perfect to meet small to medium batch production needs. In terms of cost, $1 ink can print 400 to 700 pieces. The exact quantity depends on pattern size. Compared to traditional printing, it is especially ideal for personalized and small batch custom orders. The EU customer is printing craft paper bags and non-woven bags. The Dubai customer is printing cloth bags and white paper bags. Kuwait customer is printing white paper bags and non-woven bags. Window customer is printing non-woven bags and canvas bags. South Korean customer is printing non-woven bags and food packaging bags.